So, hello everyone! Kumusta kayong lahat dyan, guys? Ito tayo, ayun, yung update natin. Ayun, deliver na sila, guys. So, yun. Feeling relaxing muna tayo, guys. Tapos na tayo nagmerienda, guys. Tapos na ako So, nag-relax muna ako dito, guys. So, yun lang. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.